DZ Gang, stand up.
DZ Gang, stand up!
Congrats on 60K. Let's go, boys.
DZ Gang, stand up. Gang, gang.
DZ Gang, stand up!
DZ Gang, DZ Gang, DZ Gang, DZ Gang. Stand up on the DZ Gang.
Guys, y'all already know this video is about to be lit, so go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and y'all already know, DZ Gang stand up!
DZ Gang all the way.
Hey, I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk. Pick him up in a space coupe, I don't let my plug walk.
Gang! Gang! What's up? Bro, hit him with the grenade real quick. Hold on. Nah, hit him with the little explosion real quick.
We have to do it together though, remember?
Nah, nigga, I can do it alone. Look. Oh, damn, it didn't work,
It
bro.
did not work at all, bro. You saw that?
Try it yourself. Try it. Nah, it ain't working.
Hello.
My bitch looking so bad. I'm in this day. She saying she miss what we had.
Guys, back with another video, man. Y'all already know. Hope you guys having a great day. Whatever, guys. Your boy Kai's here. Alright, guys. Today, I told y'all I was going to be filming, and I'm back. So, I'm back with a banger. Yeah, no. All my videos are bangers. If you're new to the channel, welcome, guys. Welcome. If you're part of the channel already, y'all already know what's up. We're going to be lit. Anyways, guys, don't forget post notification at the end of the video. What we're going to be doing today, we're just going to be messing around. Go buy an air horn. Scare some people. Y'all know. Gang stuff. I need you to get somebody, okay? Oh my god, that is loud. Look at him, this thing is chilling there. That is loud. We picked up a guy named Blue Sparrow and we took him to eat. He told us he lives around here. Blue Sparrow! Are you out there? Blue Sparrow, where are you? Damn. Oh well, man. Damn, guys. If you ever see Blue Sparrow, here's a picture.
Somebody I'm on the street, so.
You need help? Help us find him, guys. There's a price on his head. I can make a left here? Yeah. I don't know. He told us he lived in these woods around here, bro. Club Wall. Is that Blue Sparrow? Blue Sparrow?
Is it?
Blue Sparrow! Mama!
Love can touch us one time and last for.
Are we vlogging?
Let's go, let's go!
Hold on, let me throw my cigarette out. Let's vlog, dog.
We were blowing this. We were looking for you. We were looking for you, man. We were like, Blue Sparrow. Damn, we found you, man. We gotta catch up on some things, bro.
Right.
People loved you. It was like, how many views was it? 70,000 views.
No way.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Dude.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's totally cool.
Damn, so what you been up to, my man?
I'm just chilling, man.
Hey, I'll catch up with you in a bit. Listen, we've been going so quick since we last saw you.
Right?
Like, our subs grew and one of my videos hit 1 million views, man.
2 million. Damn.
2 million views, bro.
Damn.
Hey, man.
Hell yeah, DC
Hey.
Gang, baby. That's what's up.
Hey,
Blue
Blue
Sparrow showing mad love.
Yeah,
That's what's
man.
up.
We got big things coming, man. Sure you want to do that?
Yeah.
Damn. This right, you a savage, bro.
Yeah, you know I am. Don't be messing with the DC Gang.
Talk in Spanish. Talk
I'll
in
fuck you up.
Talk in Spanish.
What? Oh, ¿qué pasa, mamacita? ¿Cómo está? ¿Está bien? ¿Eh? Ay, que cinco te pone loca. ¿Cómo te mueve? ¿Cómo me toca?
Complaciendo para todos los bailadores con esta rola que dice.
¿Qué pasa, mamacita? ¿Qué pasa, mamacita? ¿Cómo está? ¿Está bien? ¿Eh? ¡Cabrón!
My nigga Blue Sparrow. I'm just here with the boy Blue Sparrow, you know. I had to change the plans up. Honestly, I didn't even know I was gonna find him. We found him. We taking him to the mall. We bought him some food, you know. We just cooling with the boy. You know, it's rough, you know what I'm saying? Like, you're not really out there with the people like that. So, you know, it's good to talk to him. you know, we just cooling with the boy.
Up through when I buy all the shots. My bitch, she looking so bad. I'm in it, she calling me dad. She saying she miss what we had. Sorry, I fucking in past. Coming through this just like I don't know better. Youngest hit, make a nigga who better. Could've been wet the bar. Sipping on me, that's why. All of my dish, she won't start. I told her to give me some slop.
I gave my boy the short and the air horn. Got an air horn. Cause he be standing in the woods, you know?
What you gonna do with that, man? I'm gonna hold on to it, man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna waste it.
I got another gift for you, bro. Right? Yeah, I got another gift.
I've been really trying, baby, trying to hold back this feeling for so long.
Alright.
No homo.
No.
About to give my boy Blue Sparrow a quick gift. You want this, bro?
Yeah.
Man, hold on. Make sure like I ain't leave nothing in here. Cause I got
Hell
it.
yeah.
I got it, but like, you know, I don't really use it. I got like
Hell yeah.
it's a dope book bag. You can fit a lot in it, man.
Yeah. I'll change. I'll get rid of this backpack and put everything in that.
I feel like you can keep both of them, you know?
Yeah,
keep both.
Oh man, I got this from Salvation Army. I found like that chick Erica, she's in jail.
Yeah, you can give it to her.
I can give her this one when she gets out. It's like new, dude. Yeah, dude. Hell yeah.
Are you happy, bro?
Yeah, thank you,
Look at it,
dog.
bro.
That's dope as f.
Yeah, bro. I told you
And I love blue. That's like one of my favorite colors.
Of course, it's Blue Sparrow, man.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, right here. Blue horn, man. You can fit a lot.
Oh, yeah, dog. Appreciate that, man.
It's really good, bro.
Hell yeah.
All right, man.
And that's an Under Armour, too. Yeah.
A lot of money in that book
Hell
bag, man.
yeah, dog. Thank you. God bless you, Jesus.
Bless you, bro.
No problem, man.
Hey, these gang gonna look out for you.
Alright.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Damn, man. It was real, bro.
Fuck yeah.
Alright, man.
GZ Gang forever. Thanks for the pack, dog.
Hey.
Hot, man.
Take it easy, Blue Sparrow.
Yeah.
Much love, bro.
Much love.
Oh, no.
Are you couldn't get?
Yeah. Hold on. I'm gonna tell you when.
Somebody in the road. There's somebody in the road.
I'm gonna stand like right next to them, bro.
They're moving though.
I'm gonna try to get quick so like no cars behind us.
What the heck? What?
She acted like she fast and furious about to catch us. She's coming. Can I hold the wheel for a nigga?
Is she looking at us?
I don't know.
Go. Oh, no.
That's pretty good.
Go ahead. You look cute.
We love you, bro. It was just a joke. No problem. I love that guy. See, I like good sports, man. I like good sports.
She's bad. What happened?
Here's our type. Take a picture and play, bro. Go.
¡Madre, espantan!
¿Qué pasa, mamacita?
Hey.
What's up, man? You went to my church?
Like he know what's up. He know what's up.
What you doing?
My nigga graduated.
We don't got no water balloons. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, man. I'm gonna give him a post notification shout out before I end the video though, so post notification shout out goes to guys. But yeah, I'm out. Make sure you guys comment on this video if you want a post notification shout out for the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. Gang gang.